folks, it's me again. We have gum.
I ate two.
Bubble yum, she's eating it all.
I only had two.
Only had two? Okay, we're gonna chomp on gum. Today's video is basically a vice grip video. I'm making multiple, but one at a time. So, you know what? They're all kind of related, so no, I'll do them separate. This week, we have a vice grip, which is, which one is this? A 9R, like this. The only difference between this one and the other ones is these have got rubber tip. 9R vice grips. They've been dipped in rubber, plastic. They're kind of coming off. They're a vintage Peterson vice grip. I guess they were for, I don't know, precious items. So nothing really special about it other than Gumby here. You can see them.
I'm then gonna make my own video.
Yeah, you can make your own video, but I came here to make videos for myself, you know. Trying to steal all my video time.
No.
So see, you can put this on your lips and start from top.
No,
no. That's what I should use this for. I can make a video and shut her up.
No.
There you go. Come on. Come on.
No.
Okay. Anyway, these are vintage 9R vice grips. The other ones I have, actually, I'll save those ones because I have another. These are 9AC in a box. I didn't want the box. But these are Irwin. So we don't really care about Irwins. But Irwin's the new owner. Stop, Kyle.
Okay.
We're trying to make funny things, you know. These are these ones. They kind of, I don't know why they don't open much. They have a weird, see, I'm not sure. Yeah, okay, go like that. Up and down action. They're kind of similar. These are actually harder to find. These are Irwin vice grip, but the original vice grip brand ones like this are extremely hard to find. But see, you can see the crunchy action. I'm guessing it's used for sheet metal, holding panels together, or whatever else you can come up with. I don't know if they lock all the way. Yeah. Let's see. Oh yeah, you can. Another thing to put on their mouth to keep them quiet. Yeah. So yeah, you can lock them all up there. Basically these. So this one locks this way, and this one locks this way. So it's a pretty ingenious idea. Who figured this out? It's pretty cool. So anyway, that's the first two vice grips. This is a Irwin 9AC. And you can see that. See, 9AC. You can see that side. See this side. So anyway, just show you. I've never actually had a pair of these, but I'm looking for a vintage one. They're hard to find on. They're hard to figure out. Like, you see them on eBay. Very few. You see the regular ones like this without the plastic, like tons of them. Welding clamps. First time I've ever seen these, and this. If you do see them, they're usually like severely overpriced, especially if you can buy them for $20 brand new, and they're selling them like $90 for a vintage one, which is ridiculous. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And thanks for watching. Toodles.